Fun with colors! Hi friends! Merry Christmas! Let's draw Santa Claus. Let's begin with the face. Let's draw the long beard. This is the hand. Santa Claus is holding a bag full of presents. Wow! Santa Claus has come to say hello. Let's draw the mustache. These are the eyes. Do you know, on Christmas Eve, Santa Claus comes and gives presents to all the children. Let's draw the bag full of presents. Have you seen the Christmas decorations? They look so beautiful. If you wish to color the same image of Santa Claus, you can go on the description box and download the image from the link given. Subscribe to the channel for more coloring and drawing videos. Let's keep drawing the shoes. These are the stars. It's ready! Let's color with fun with colors! Can you tell me which color is this? Correct! This is red color! Let's color Santa Claus's outfit with red color! Let's color the candy canes in the Santa's Christmas bag. Let's also color the stars with red color. Do you like drawing and coloring? Wow! Santa has come to say hello. What is your favorite color? Wow! Do you like Christmas tree? Which color is this? Yes, green color. Let's put green color in the straps of the bag. Wow, there's another Christmas tree. This is orange color. This one is yellow color. Let's color all the presents that Santa has bought. This is pink color. This is orange color. Let's color the shoes with blue color. This is brown color. For more drawing and coloring videos, subscribe to the channel. If you wish to color the same image of Santa Claus, you can go on the description box, click on the link given and download the image. Let's put pink color in the face and dark pink on the lips. It's ready!